We're going to a DJI store. Ganun talaga mga design dito sa China. So industrial. There's a drone there. Dito? Okay. 20 minutes. Uy. Ang ganda ng drone nila. Uy, camera drone. So, is it DJI?
Leading talaga na lang.
Grabe. Ito, maganda na ito kaya so. Uy, okay lang to ah. 6,000 ah.
Times ano ba? China.
Times 9.
China?
Times 9 ba? 8?
Oh, di ba 9
Ano
ba?
conversion ng China to Philippines?
Times 8. Kala ko mura na ba?
1 peso.
Grabe quality din kasi. As, pwedeng maliit lang. Na ito maliit lang oh. Yung maliit lang.
Ito yung pinakamaliit pa.
Be, patingin. Dito. Yung maliit.
This is their ano? Eh, mura lang ano yun. Kami different version. Times 9. Times 9 pesos.
Isang iyan lang siya.
Oo.
Tapos,
Times 9,000? Oo.
Mahulog ka na, babay mo. Alam mo, pinaka-impressive, pinaka-dulo.
drones.
Yes.
Pero dito yung entry level eh.
Practice ano? Vlog nga nakalagay oh. Saan? Ano ba to? Set na to siya ang kuhan?
Ito, 3699 is yung set.
Gawin nyo siya, gano'n siya. Tatlo siya, hindi.
Ito at saka ito. And then ito.
For entry siya.
Hindi do you have ano? Excuse me.
Tanungin mo daw.
Ask if we can test fly. Do you have test of this? The Neo?
No.
No test?
No new. Just new.
No Neo. Do you have a test of the Neo?
Yes.
Test flight?
Yeah. We can have a test.
You can try pa.
You want to have a start?
Yeah.
Yeah, just for entry, no? For practice
level.
before we go high.
Okay.
Just to practice. This is the entry drone, just to practice droning.
Yeah.
No? Then
Yeah.
later upgrade.
It's very easy to use. It's new too. And it's for freshmen.
Wala pa siyang automated
Then
feature.
later we can upgrade to more
Yeah.
Yes,
complicated.
an entry level one.
Entry level.
Yeah, it's an entry level.
How much is that?
This price. Which do you want to use the controller or with the glasses, like the VR glasses?
Controller?
Yeah. Or
How much is the difference, glass and controller?
the normal controller, 2499.
Glasses?
And glasses 13699. And you
Yeah.
can get tax refund
Oh, tax refund.
9%.
9%. So that's less for that.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's for that price. This is the original price. Original price. And
What do you suggest? This is used only for farm purposes in the province, just to check on animals. This is okay. Just animals, just to.
maybe because this one is very light. Chase animal.
No,
Just
Just aerial view.
aerial view of the
Every
farm.
of it.
Try mo muna i-fly pa.
Maybe
Okay, sige.
maybe the bigger one is better.